Now I would like to show you how to program the label. Here is the reader, and here are two bottles with a label, and this is the software operation. You can see, and now the first step, or you can put the label here first and then bind them to the products. Okay, and now this is for binding label, and then okay, and do the inventory. So you can see two UIDs of these two bottles, and then you choose the product information. There's no photo here. Drink, and okay, find, and you can see this is the product information, and then submit, confirm. Okay, that's all.